What's up, existence athletes? It's Coach Garrett here, and I'm going to show you the kettlebell deadlift and how it transfers to your kettlebell swing. So we're going to get a kettlebell underneath us here, right? So when we hinge, you should get your feet about shoulder width, and you can adjust it from there depending on your anatomy, but basically about starting shoulder width, toes slightly out. Once you push your butt back, pretend you're trying to touch the wall with your butt. Then from there, you're going to get down as needed to get that kill. All right, we're going to tighten everything up here. Now I'm going to show you the deadlift. One more. All right, so now I'm going to go to the kettlebell swings. I'm going to show you one deadlift so you can see where my hinging patterns. Then I'm going to show you the kettlebell swing and pay attention to the hinging pattern of the kettlebell swing. All right, so you'll see that my deadlift hinging pattern and my kettlebell swing hinging pattern should look very similar, all right? So try your deadlifts, try your swings, record yourself, and see how they match up. And let me know if you need any or any questions.